Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video, unboxing video for my coffee machine, my coffee maker. This actually a good product. Actually, I searched around a bit, so came out that this product actually can use multiple coffee pots, like coffee powder. You can use coffee powder, dolce pots, nespresso pots, and powder. That's important. There is about 4 to 3 products you can use, because it has different pot platform. So yeah, we call it I call it no, the product name is Hibrew. Yes. So it has 2 mode. First, the hot coffee, and another one is cold coffee. So how to make a hot coffee? You just put water, plain water, and then just put a pot or powder, and which you want. Is it dolce or nespresso? And then the other one is powder. You can use like Starbucks powders or coffee beans powder. Alright, so and then the water, the plain water will be heated. So this high brew, we heat water, so it make you a hot coffee actually, either espresso or latte or cappuccino or flat white or anything. It's depend on what type of pot you use, and how much the milk you use. Okay, right. So for the cold coffee, you need to, this is tackling things, because you need to put cold water in the tank first, and then put some ice in your glass. So when you turn the machine into the cold coffee mode, so it will off the heater part, so the water in the tank will be not heat. So usually when the coffees came out, it's already half cool. It's not cold but cool. And then you need to put some ice into the glass, so that it will be more colder. Okay, it's more colder. So you make iced coffee, right? Put some ice there. So this product, personally, I like it because I need coffee every day. I need coffee. I need every day caffeine dose. So every morning to start my day. Okay, as a doctor, I need to be alert, so I need coffee. But somehow it affect my my hands at some point. But I still can do minor operation. But for major operation, I'm not that really involved now. I'm just more to assisting part, okay, and doing a lot of other works, like organize the multidisciplinary meeting, ward rounds, okay, and then at the ward levels, I settling that. So for such work, I need alert. I need to be alert, and I need coffee. So this machine actually helped me a lot. Okay, thanks Allah for give me this opportunity to use a great product. Okay, so I found this product from the Shopee, so you guys can find out this product, same product, or there's a lot of product actually. There's nespresso coffee machine. There's also like Hibrew, is like a hybrid coffee machine. It can use a lot of other coffee brands. Okay, like Nespresso, you can use Nespresso pots mainly. You cannot use powders or other. But Hibrew, you can use Starbucks powders and other pots, coffee pots. Okay, so um, so for if you like coffee, variety of coffee, I think Hibrew is a good choice. But if you like nespresso products, okay, or dolce, that you need to find a compatible machine, coffee machine. And what make me more astonished, lagi terkejut, adalah there is a portable hand coffee maker. It's only small, like like a small mineral water size. So you can use that to make a coffee, a quick coffee. I think using a pot. Okay, it's using a pot, and then we came out just for a quick morning coffee. Small. Usually we drink coffee in small cup, small cup. But our if you coffee lover, actually coffee we taste it in a small cups. It's not that big like Starbucks, but small cups only. But because of Starbucks, the serving is different. Serving is a large quantity because of the price actually. So actually for the coffee lover, actually the coffee we serve at least small cup. Okay guys, so the next clip is about the unboxing of this machine. So for the next video, I will try to make a next video using different products, coffee product like Nespresso pods, Dolce pods, and Starbucks powder. So I will try to make saya cuba buat another video how to use this machine and how to make a hot coffee and how to make a cold coffee. So but this video is entirely different time because I don't have that much time. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video can help you to make a good and better choice for your coffee product. Okay, so today is the 12th of lockdown, I think. Total lockdown for my country, for Malaysia. So I hope we all pray that this pandemic is under control, and please pray for us frontliners, doctors, always safe in our duty. Okay. Lot of cases, patient admission for surgery. Actually, we are at surgery departments also at very high level of risk for this COVID. So I hope you pray for me, for my colleagues, and for all frontliners, so that this pandemic under control and we can practice medicine and we can take care of patient without this high risk of COVID. So I want to tell you a story about one patient. She came for hepatobiliary problems. Okay, hepatobiliary problems for ascending cholangitis, to rule out the cause, more likely obstructive types of cause. So when she came, she actually at emergency she was put beside a positive patient. So when she did her RTK, the test, the COVID rapid test, it turns out negative. Okay, and she was admitted to general surgery ward for further treatment. And then I requesting her for ultrasound hepatobiliary system to find out what the cause of this obstruction. Although she is not in septic, she's well, but in the morning she had desaturation, sudden breathlessness. So we put her under face mask, everything, and we took an X-ray, chest X-ray, and it turned out very bad with consolidation bilaterally. and reduce her entry. So she need oxygen ventilation. And then I refer her for pneumonia initially, but we suspect her for COVID-19 until further because until further proven otherwise. Because when you did the rapid test, although it came out negative, but when it can be turned out, if you did the PCR test, it can came out as a positive. So this is very high risk for whole team, for my whole team and for my staff nurse and other patients. So we put her into isolation, and then after that she came out negative, and we did another one, turned out negative, and now she is safe to be treated in the general ward. Okay, so this is few of circumstances that we face. Other circumstances that we face also that pose us to great risk for COVID-19. So please take your vaccine, take your jabs, two times vaccine, so that you have to protect yourself, establish a herd immunity against COVID-19, and this help us frontliner very great effort to fight COVID-19. If you don't want to take vaccine, so this is very bad situation, and we could end up to be like in chaos, because the current numbers of COVID in Malaysia is very high, and I'm afraid that our ICU cannot accommodate patients. So this turns out very bad. So I hope everyone, please be calm. Please understand this is a pandemic, and you need to follow the guidelines, and please do the vaccines, and put aside everything that you understand, put it aside, and please help frontliners to fight this together. Okay, so return back to our objective of this video for unboxing. So next is the clip for the unboxing. So please enjoy this clip, and if you like it, please subscribe, and please like and please subscribe this channel to support me for another video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hello guys, welcome back to Ashraf Alpha channel. So this is unboxing of coffee maker Hibrew. Model is multi capsule coffee maker, black color. So the voltage is about 220 to 240 volt, UK plug. Okay, so the power is about 1450. Alright, about 3 kilos. So it's measure about 300 times 150 and 300. Okay, so this I got from the China, made in China. But this is the multi capsule coffee maker. The model is number ST504, the Hibrew brand. Okay, so I don't know this model, but I just read all the comments about this product. Is quite good. So with the price about 300 to 400, so it's a good price, good value. So why not I try this product. So guys, if you want to try or to search any coffee maker, so yeah, why not, you can buy this. I buy this from Shopee, so it arrived today. Okay, arrived today. So today now we do the unboxing. Okay, alright. The certificate a bit because I'm using one hand, and one other hand I record this using my iPad for a for a clear voice, a microphone, and clear picture, clear video. So yeah, it turns out nicely with my iPad. So maybe next time I will buy an iPhone for my recording. For now I'm using Android, that's why the quality is so not that good, because I'm using S20 Samsung S20 for my recording. For now it's okay, but I'm not satisfied with the sound quality. It doesn't cannot synchronize with my microphone. So I think I need to get modest iPhone, maybe iPhone 12 in near time. Okay guys, so this is look like when you open the box. Hibrew espresso, okay, station H1A. So it's a nespresso compatible, okay, dolce gusto compatible, and coffee powder compatible, ESE port 44M compatible, and K-cup compatible. So it should be look like this. Okay, should be look like this. Hope they look like that. Okay guys, I need to further down here. It's good to take out this because I'm using one diamond hand. Okay guys. Okay, read that out. Okay, remove the box. Okay guys, this is our Javel, our model today. So this is H1A espresso station, Hibrew brand, right, hot brew, and there is cold brew also. Okay, that's why I buy this, because I had hot brew and cold brew at my choice. Alright, so since this is good station, 90 bar pressure pump, 600 milli water tank, adapter, power. Okay, so this is the cup. Change the metal part if need. Coffee powder, if I use the coffee powder, Nespresso. So it has a different plug for the coffee. So I think this is the best. This is a good product actually. Soft touch keyboard off. Okay, so should like that lah. Capsule, when you can see the capsule adapter there. Okay, capsule adapter, cup holder, and there is a for the capsule adapter also, solid handle, and water here, 600 ml, removable tank lid. Okay, next this. It's like opening a PlayStation, you know, because the box look like the PlayStation before. Okay, what it here? Thank you card. Dear customer, thank you for purchase for our store. Okay, it's a brand sale international for the Hibrew. They just thanks God. Okay, it's okay. Put that. Then we remove this. Okay. Okay, first we remove that one. But I suggest you don't throw this away, because this coffee machine is quite portable. So when you want on the move, or you want to go to another place, okay, pindah rumah ke apa, so you need this. Alright, so this is our baby here. Okay, where you can see the pot there. It's a good package. Alright, I want to hold the thing, but I'm using one hand, so it's very difficult. Use this technique without destroying the box, because I keep the box for my portability, for my mobility, because I'm always on the move, you know, and I need coffee, and this is really important. I need to use my lid. Okay, this is it.
This is a UK power plug adapter. UK plug, so compatible with Malaysia. And open this with one hand. It's quite achievement today because I open all this with one hand. Okay, imagine that. Imagine that, guys. So I think this is the coffee powder pot. Okay, it's all look new, look nice. So I just remove the plastic cover because to touch it. Also, it's very feathery touch. It's very smooth and soft. Okay, this is the water part, water container part, and this is Hibrew, my baby. Okay, thank you. Alright, so this is it, guys. So I hope you enjoy my unboxing, but I still not cannot use this because I don't have the coffee pot yet. Still not arrived. So yeah, this is the unboxing only. So I will try to make another video for how to use it when I already start to use it and start to have coffee with it. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is Hibrew. Okay, Hibrew H1A. Hibrew H1A espresso station. Okay, this is good because it has cool and hot and compatible with a lot of other coffee options. Right, so I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you.